YouTube and internet realm, we are going to be doing Maleficent. I loved the movie Maleficent with Angelina Jolie, and if you've ever typed up on YouTube Maleficent makeup tutorial, all you see are the evil Maleficent with the black and the horns and the craziness. So instead of doing the evil style Maleficent after she gets her wings ripped off and everything, we are going to be doing the fairy Maleficent when she still has her wings. She's all nice and brown, she still has sharp facial features, but she has the brown hair. That's what we are doing today. I'm so excited. So let's get to it. Okay, so to start this tutorial off, I'm going to be doing a few different things. I'm going to be going in with the NYX Honey Do Me Up Primer, Can't Stop, Won't Stop Primer Base. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay Foundation and the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation. We're going to mix them together. There we go. Okay, so we're going to take the NYX Wonder Stick and start carving out our cheekbones and our nose and our jawline and our forehead. Basically, we're going to be try to turn ourselves into Angelina Jolie. Now we're going to take the Tarte ShapeTape and kind of contour out all the bits that we want to stand out. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder underneath my eyes and the Morphe 8L bronzing palette. And I'm going to be using a mixture of all of these colors to kind of make this more of a sharp line. And I'm going to put a little bit of this white highlighting powder on my cheekbones. Okay, so now that this is basically done, I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe setting spray just to kind of set this face part in place so it does not move when we start doing our eye makeup. Okay, and while that is drying, I'm going in with my very dirty Jaclyn Hill palette. Sorry, Jaclyn. At least I use it a lot, right? And we're going to be using this palette. And we're mainly going to be focusing, I can't hold it. We're mainly going to be focusing on these neutral shades. And I'm going to add a little bit of the darker browns on the outer corners and the outer edges of my eye. I'm also going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to line underneath my, in my lower waterline. And we're going to be using the brown and black NYX Epic Liner to line our fairy eyes. And then we're also going to be taking the NYX Worth the Hype Mascara and the NYX, everything's everywhere, Professional Eyebrow Pencil to line out our brows. I'm telling you all this before so that way you can just kind of watch the steps and I don't miss anything like I did in my Queen of Hearts video where the camera just stopped recording. So I did deepen up a little bit in my cheekbone area because I have a very round face. Angelina Jolie has a very sharp face. Not in a bad way. But I am going to highlight some on my cheekbones, my nose, my lip, Cupid's bow, pretty much everywhere. Highlight it, bring it out. And I'm also going to put a little bit of contouring around my collarbone and such. Now I'm going to line my lips with the Lam Life by Alcone lip liner, and I'm going to slightly overline them to give me the pout that Angelina has. Okay, now I'm going to put a mixture of the Morphe Virgin Liquid Lip and the Jeffree Star Posh Spice Liquid Lip. Going to mix them together. Okay, so I'm going to go put my eyelashes on, my wig, my costume on, and I will be right back. Okay, so that was my Maleficent inspired makeup tutorial before she was the villain makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this video. After I did bring the cheeks down just a little bit from before because they just were a little bit too high, so I brought them down a little bit and it made the look so much better. I got the horns from Party City. I made the dress slash garment type thing out of some sheets from the dollar store. But I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. Make sure and hit that subscribe button for new videos every single Friday at 10 a.m. Go follow me on all social media platforms, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.